How you doing? Today I'm doing the maintenance on my mom's house. The roof is about 20 years old, still in pretty good condition. It's not leaking. I'm just doing preventive maintenance. So I want to show you in today's video how we can easily find the spots where your shingles are loose. So let me show you what I do. I have an electric blower. So what I do is I use my blower to see if there are any tiles getting up. And you can see that a couple of them are going up. There we go. So now you can see. Now you can see. There you go. More tires, more shingles need to be fixed. So now after finding those that have loose ends, you can use whatever you want. Probably the one with the caulking is a little bit easier to use. I just have this, so I'm just going to lift this up. Just gonna lift it up, put a little bit of my roofing cement underneath just to make sure that they're going to stick, and after that all you have to do is just secure it, and that's additional assurance that my tiles are not gonna be lifted when I'm gonna have a little bit more wind. And now after I put cement underneath this row of shingles, now I can double check with my blower. And it's perfect. Nothing is being lifted. Perfect. So this is basically the easiest trick that you can do with the blower that will tell you quickly which tiles are not sticking properly. Then you can easily fix it with the roofing cement. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.